Those summer storms have rolled through. How are your plants doing? Because we had a planter. Look at this. This all had to be taken off because the planter went rolling in the wind.
Yeah, so we had that storms really swept up fast on us and took a toll on our flowers. And
this amaranthus was taller than my hand. And when you think of those high winds, the taller it is, the more of like a sail it's going to be. And
right.
it did go rolling.
And it went rolling off of, this is on the back of our old antique truck. So it's coming off of a platform here that's maybe 3 feet tall and went tumbling with those high winds.
Yeah.
So it got pretty beat up. So we need to go through and assess first that damage to the plants and the flowers, and then do a little cleanup. So don't be disheartened by it. First check. Sometimes the plants can look really bad, and they will amazingly they'll come back. This amaranthus, yeah, it really was broke off.
Like this one is just bending.
Yeah,
here,
that's gonna do fine.
But over here,
yeah, where they were broken, yeah. Where they were really broken, that's where you're gonna have to go through with the shears and go through and just kind of clean this up. And I like to give it about 24 hours, kind of take a look at that next day, because I've really seen, especially on super petunias, man, they can take a beating. I've seen our 14-inch hanging baskets absolutely sideways in a bad storm, and it looked like all the branches were broken, and they just repaired themselves, and they came right back within 2 weeks. It looked like nothing happened.
Or sometimes you'll see almost like a bald spot in them from where that wind was pushing them.
Yeah, they can fill in. It's
fill
amazing.
in.
But for this amaranthus, it was actually the stems were like this, where they're broke and they're not going to repair themselves.
Look at how beautiful it was.
So we've got some cut flowers, I guess, with the amaranthus that we'll put in the house. And so that's kind of nice. We'll have some pretty flowers inside.
So something else to check for is, because this planter went rolling and it fell, did your pot crack?
Yeah.
Or did your basket crack? Or did the wires come off? Inspect not just your plant.
Yeah, check the container, because if a hanging basket dropping on the ground, they very often will crack, and it's really hard then to go from there of keeping that water where it's supposed to be when you're watering the hanging basket.
Right.
So you might have to fix it, get a new hanging basket, and just replace it. Maybe it's a temporary fix, and you just got to kind of duct tape that crack, and you'll just limp it through the summer.
And then next year get rid of it.
Yeah, toss it. But yeah, because a lot of times those containers will crack or break, so you got to check that.
That's really important too. And then you're going to start going into repair mode.
So for a container like this, we went through, we're cleaning up this amaranthus. The salvia. This salvia is actually, it got bent over, but it's gonna be fine. There weren't any breaks in the stems, so that'll come right back. We're actually gonna start feeding about every other day full strength with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer, because now we're in recovery mode and we want to push some fast growth so that it recovers for the rest of the summer. So we're gonna feed about every other day with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer and get that growth going. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Check your soil before you start watering heavily. Check that soil with your finger or a moisture meter. It might be absolutely saturated depending on that rain. If that rain was able to drive in, or maybe there was a fast, downpour that really soaked that soil. Check the soil so that you're not just watering and making it worse. But on the other side of that, when that foliage gets really thick, it might really surprise you that the soil can be bone dry. And because especially with like super petunias, they shed the rain right off like an umbrella. So check that soil before you start watering.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a minor inconvenience
Yeah.
of what some people go through with these summer storms. You're talking tornadoes and houses being destroyed. So,
yeah.
I know it's disappointing, but keep a reminder of
their flowers.
Yep. They will regrow. It is disappointing, but in light of it,
yeah, it's just a minor hiccup. But
you don't need to just toss them.
Yeah, you know, we have a lot of summer left, so don't be too discouraged. And I've done it a lot of times, and getting hanging baskets or planters back on track, and within 2 weeks, it doesn't even look like anything happened to them at all. So remember, we got a lot of summer left. So
Yes.
so you can manage through it and have beautiful flowers again.
Absolutely.
All right,
Hope that helps.
Yep, thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.